we buy land, especially here in Kampala, or people who buy land here in Kampala, we buy Milo land. So you're going to have like block 6, Busiro County, or block 10, Mutundwe, or block this, Kololo, Nakawa, whatever it is. It's supposed to be indicated here in the sub-county, in the county, the block number. So all of these are essential features that you're supposed to have concerning part 1. Now, when we go to part 2 is in regards to ownership. This one is very easy. When you look at ownership of the land, it is shifting from Terry Kahuma to Moses Sekalembe. So if Moses is the new owner of the land or the new proprietor of the land, then it is the new title that's going to be issued out to Moses should indicate his name, his address, his national ID number, which is a NIN number, his email address, everything that is going to be essential for him to be found by the government of Uganda, or it needs to be fed in the database. So all the features go hand in hand. We have what is called an encumbrance page. What is an encumbrance? Many times I've talked about an encumbrance. I'm not going to sing it, but I'm going to restate it in this video. An encumbrance is basically something which is stopping you from doing something. When you talk about encumbered, it's a barricade, it's a blockade. So an encumbrance is something which is stopping you from doing something. Concerning land transactions, an encumbrance is something which legally is stopping your land title from being free, or your land from being free. So an encumbrance ranges from something like a caveat, it ranges from a mortgage, it ranges from anything which the former vendor or the former seller, the former owner of the land would have put his land title to gain a mortgage, or he could have put a caveat, or he could have gotten a loan. In many situations, encumbrances include me giving my land title to a bank or giving it to a money lender, anything which is legal, but meaning that I have to pay back the money for me to receive my free certificate of title. So I hope you understand. So meaning that this is one of the most important things concerning a land title. It's mixed. The encumbrance page is mixed with the map of the land, but it's supposed to have a map of the land, meaning it should be able to show the decimal points of the land, should be able to see the mark stones. Even if you can't see it directly on the map, you can be able to see these small markings. So these are the mark stones, to be able to see the extent of the land and how big it is, so that you can be able to know what kind of land am I buying. Is it 10 acres? Is it 20 hectares? Depending. So finally, this land title is one of the prehistoric ones, but as of this year, the new land titles also have part 4, which is conditions. Unfortunately, it's not here, but conditions are also involved in the current land titles. And basically, conditions are to state anything which will further arise from you buying the land. Is it a condition concerning this or concerning payment, whatever it is. We also go to part 4. Unfortunately, part 4 is not here because these are the more prehistoric land titles. However, 4 is in regards to conditions concerning the land. I'm not so well conversant with it, and I would not want to lie to you, my dear viewers. So until I do some more research on that, I will definitely let you know in the next video concerning land, and I will be sure to put it in the comment section. So thank you so much for listening to me, guys.